Nĩngatho cia mwanya mwĩrori wa kiheotv kunyita ithuĩ Jumatatu njega na ndathime muthenya ta ũyũ tarĩki 10 mwaka ũkĩte tugakorwo tũrikire feini. Nĩngatho cia mwanya nĩ gũkorwo gĩtũcagũra makĩria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciko etagwo Sharon mwarĩ wa Gĩcũĩ na nĩ Wairimu wa Wanjiru. Na gĩtĩo kĩnene kwa jena report ya kuma kũrĩa Naivasha kũrĩa President William Ruto augĩte ngwatanĩro ya kĩama kĩa UDA na ODM no nginya ĩkayũkia ũtongoria gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũkĩte. President ũrĩa warĩtie hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa atongoria a ngwatanĩro ĩno mwena wa Naivasha akiugĩte tabarĩra iria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ĩkinyanĩirie nĩcio mũthingi wa ũhotani wa ngwatanĩro ĩno.
Yes, I was in Kilgoris.
How long does it say?
This meeting is beyond a parliamentary. We also have our CSS. Consequential. And in his honor.
By God's grace, we must win the next election. Inshallah, we must win the next election. Not for your sake, for the sake of Kenya. The alternative I shudder because a group of people who have no plan, no agenda, no policy, no vision, is too dangerous for Kenya.
Hii broad-based Mheshimiwa Rais imetusaidia sana, imeturahisishia kazi ya siasa na hata kazi ya kukusaidia kuendesha serikali ambayo unaongoza. Kwa hivyo I think I'll be in order kusema ya kwamba hii broad-based ni fire sana. Ni fire si fire. Ni power si power. Ni fire na power kwa sababu tuko na power man in the house.
We are now tied together. We are with an umbilical cord, and this umbilical cord should be nursed, and we must urge that let us be straightforward. If you have any issue that you want to raise, please raise it honestly, but don't be a fence sitter. Because we say, in Kijaluo we say, if you face the lake, face it squarely. Because if you face it squarely, it is a blessing.
Na tukiuma mwena ũcio wa Naivasha tuthie riboti ingĩ ekwĩrwo tatu a njũragano ya ndagĩtarĩ Victor Mutiso magũthiĩ na mbere na gũikara njera kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ ingĩ 30 nĩguo maabitha a borithi matabanie ũthuthuria wao. Atatũ aya nĩ Elijah Kimoi, Daniel Mwangi na Kevin Kinuthia. Na akora gĩtuĩka Mwangi nĩwe mwĩkũĩrwo ũrĩa mũnene kuona nĩwe warathanire.
Respondent is detained at Gigiri police station for 30 days.
The investigation team still have inquiries about other firearms suspected to have been used, and we need to subject them to ballistic for forensic analysis. There are CCTV footages that were retrieved. The same have not been subjected for analysis.
I will allow the application made by prosecution. The respondents will be detained in custody for the next 30 days, pending conclusion of investigations. And they'll be detained as follows. First respondent, you will be detained at Ruaraka Police Station. Second respondent, you will be detained at Pangani Police Station. The third respondent, you will be detained at Kigiri Police Station.
na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto maugite tharikira cia nyanake ni undu uraguoyohia andu makiria githurano kinene kuona ni gikuhiriirie maugite kuri kundu na kuria maabitha a borithi mabatie gwikirira ugitiri makiria kuria tharikira ici cironeka.
We have been able to identify areas that we think the police can implement so that can improve in terms of addressing the issue of goonism.
The area of goonism is really not entirely a police matter. This is also a societal problem. The continued mapping of goons and areas is currently underway because we've been able to also identify and say we have very high and moderate situations when it comes to goons as we move towards the general election. There's a special team that has been tasked to give us an answer at the DCI headquarters.
We are not satisfied. We feel exposed as citizens and as a country. We're asking questions of the duty bearers. We want to see more action. We want to see tangible results. We want to see it. When there's action, we will see it. We want to see more than statements.
Nigatho ni twarikia gugicokereria roringi andu aria makomborithagia andu nyumba ni morite gukorwo mari maitho na andu aria marakomborithia nyumba ciao niguo kuhurana na ciiko cia wici na uragani ni ritararikitio ni atongoria a makanitha kaunti ya Bungoma matongoretio ni muthikafu Benedict Simiyu.
I want to advise the landlords everywhere, because we encourage them to receive the right people. According to the government of Kenya, when you receive a tenant, you should know them. If possible, they should have the ID card. You should know where they come from and what they are doing. Because we have had cases whereby some people rent people's houses and then they start doing illegal perhaps businesses or something like that. So we encourage that as landlords, when you receive any tenant, please understand and know the tenant. And I advise that let them give you their ID. Please know where they come from and the business they are coming to do in your house. That is very key, because we want to avoid any funny incidents that come up in houses or in people's businesses, because rental houses is a business and therefore we don't want it to be affected by people who are not good, who have no good motives. Because when somebody has put up his structure, his rental houses, he wants to make money out of it. But when you come and do other things in that place, then you are spoiling that place and therefore you are interfering with the business and the program and the objective of that particular person.
Good credentials. So when you leave here, rest assured, security top notch. And any other amenities, we guarantee you, you will have fun living on this property. In this business for a while, and I've not had any incidents where tenants are complaining because we have security over here. We're actually bumping it up into 24/7, so there's always going to be a guard on here 24 hours a day. So that is something that you should not actually have to worry about.
Nigatho gukinyiria hau twakinya ngona ari wega tuko tugikiria oro hanini tuko tugicokereria ari hamwe na ciigie mbura ya muniko.
ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Experience ile tu nayo atathuriri ni ati mutumia gitweka empowered muno ri kamwena ke kamwena we rigi ugakoreria decisions ciake matua make wona wa challenge mutige igwithania tondu niwe uma na mbeca tiwe uma na mbeca na in fact Maureen unfortunately ugo niguo kuhana
hena we uria wari we wikaire tukaria kari very ambitious no cio nowe mutumia ratwenda gucokia tumwire atiriri wende no cokererie kwimenya kuu twaririe uhoro waku umenye value yaku umenye wendaga gutwika ki ucokerere uria we wari.
Divorce re ni kindu it is there, it is real, it is something real. No endera andu matigana ri ni ukoraga ati kwina ongi wahwena nginya tangiruga nginya mutwe tondu akiugo tu gutigana.
Muthuri uyu ni arariha nyumba, muthuri uyu ni ararihira tena school fees tondu those are the basic need. Nduri handu ngiurira kuriha nyumba, nduri handu ngiurira kurihira ciana school fees na irio. Koguo twamba kuga twambe tuiganire kugura irio, rent na school fees. Maya magire tiga kuhanyukia muthuri.
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka. Mwambĩrĩrio kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho. Rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria.
Inapoendelea kunyesha, watambili wa hali ya anga wamesema kwamba wamechema
watambili wa number 1 microphone commander kama wa Waithera KW
wawa wengali kosia mwena wapa matirare karuthi na mbere
mari hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro iri gukinyagira kwambiriria thaa 5 cia rucini kinyagia thaa 7 cia miaraho. Riu iri na mwarahuko wa magegania mathaa meri ma rwimbo tu mwago utangitigika. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
When it comes to raising children, kindu kia mbere ndirera ciaria thaa ici uria we baba wanyu na mami wanyu kana andu aria makurerire aguka wanyu acũcũ wanyu uria makurerire tigo urarera generation ino. Ndio kana nionete ga video kana trend TikTok kana gatira igwa ndio itata wega kero etira mami wanyu akamwenda atafanya.
Do we have mutual benefit or any benefit financially from your wife too? Kogo in case you're not there are those people togiuga ne your dependents national magi suffer financial loss. The life insurance yokaga in that gap.
Tondu hatiri handu ona hamwe angehota gwika atia mwaka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao mundu ucio agi uru gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makoiga atiri kwina andu aitu mena thi titondu we nuinuka nyumba-ini ya ihinda gutina thina andu acio nitwicirie uhoro wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarĩra-inĩ ya gũgĩthereruka o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano thinacara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ mitambo-inĩ ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint, automatic automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi, njoo nami twende Kemuma Engineering System. Kwa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiliku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twarĩkia gũcokereria oro rĩngĩ tumũrĩke marĩa tũtigarĩtie. Thirikari hamwe na arathi a rĩera makiugĩte kaunti 18 nĩcio irĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa mbura ya muniko ya El Nino. Kaunti ici nĩ hamwe na Nairobi, Mombasa na Githumo, kũrĩa mbura ĩno ĩrĩgĩirwo gũthandana kwambĩrĩria mweri wa 10, no thirikari nĩ ĩragĩkoretwo yakiuga nĩ ĩharĩrĩirie. Na tukitigana na icio mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kĩama kĩa atumia kĩa maendeleo wanawake Rahab Mui nĩorĩtie atumia metĩkĩre gũthũrimwo kansa na makĩria kansa ya nyondo na njĩra ya ũciari. Rahab ũrĩa warĩtie arĩ kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Embu hĩndĩ igongona rĩa kĩririkano kĩa ũmwe wao ũrĩa wahotirwo nĩ kansa. Augĩte mũrimũ ũyũ wamenyeka tene no ũrigitwo.
Na nĩ mutangi twende ngai na tuikia ngai na tuimana naye. Isama Isabella please ni kuja mwenga wibitaka kueleka tukezie di kwa na Emma family.
Wito wangu mkubwa ni wa mama kwenda screening. When cancer is detected early, there is a big chance of being treated and living. We need early screening for breast cancer and for cervical cancer. Let women go for screening. It should be an yearly screening for cervical and for breast cancer. Ikijulikana mapema itatibika and it is cheaper to treat.
Na anyiti itemi matiganĩte nĩ morĩtio kwambĩrĩria ceceni cia gũthomera ũhoro wĩgiĩ mainie na tekinoronjĩ makĩria matũũra-inĩ nĩguo ona yuthi arĩa marĩ mwena ũyũ matigakorwo atĩ nĩ maratigwo na thutha na makĩria hĩndĩ ya kũheana kompyuta. Mwena wa Kabuge maugĩte ũgĩ na ũmenyo wĩgiĩ tekinoronjĩ nĩ ũndũ wa bata kũrĩ ayuthi kuonora no mahote kwĩyandĩka mawĩra.
To save the logistic costs.
Take our young kids to the world. Kabiru to the world. This is beautiful. That's beautiful.
Initiative is purely to digitize Kabiru. Kabiru youth have been able to benefit from this event with the laptops that was contributed or that were handed to us by Amsha Africa Foundation with the that is Intel Corporation through Amsha Africa Foundation. The laptops have been handy. The ones that we were given last year have been very handy. We've been able to train more than 150 kids on basic computer skills. The kids have been able to graduate, and this is all for free. These services are for free. We also offer free internet services in our hub. We call it Chepkebuge AI Hub, and this is a growing community-based organization that we want to expound and even digitize and make an AI lab in Chepkebuge. That is the future of Vice Tech Initiative.
Tumeongeza pia kutuza vijana hapa laptops ambayo tumepata kwa kutokana kwa ushirika wetu na kampuni inaitwa Intel ambao wanatusupport ili tuweze kusupport vijana hapa Kenya. So kwa kuwapea laptop tunajaribu kwa uplift, tunajaribu kuwafanya wawe digitally literate, kwa sababu hapa Kenya sahihi lazima vijana wakuwe wanaelewa maneno ya computers na waelewe vitu kama AI na vile inaweza kuwasaidia kimaisha, kwa sababu sahihi hapa Kenya maneno ya kupata kuajiri ni ngumu. Sasa vijana wanaweza hata tumia laptop zao kufanya kusoma na hata kufanya kazi. Hizi zinaitwa digital work ambapo wanaweza pata kazi.
Nĩ ngatho atikĩrĩ ũndũ ũngĩ hau nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma ithaa rĩrĩ. Tũcemane wana ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa ithatũ mwaro ũyũ tũgũkorwo tũkĩnengereria Mũrindo Wanjiru wa Njeri haikũrĩa tabarĩra ya twarĩcara rũkũ mũtũĩri na njĩra ciĩko Sharon mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ gĩtĩka Wairimu wa Wanjiru gĩa na wĩroreri mwega.